Good morning, students. Uh, Today I am going to focus on different diagrams chapter wise for you all so that during holidays, that is, you have 2 3 days, you can refer this explanation, okay, and study. So, first I will deal with production possibility curve, which is the first diagram of your first chapter. The name of your first chapter is Introduction and Consumer Behavior. Now, we have already seen that production possibility curve is nothing but it is a production possibility frontier. It shows different possibilities of production, which production the producer can take. So, it is also known as production possibility frontier or transformation curve or production possibility boundary. It is a curve showing alternative production possibilities of two goods within given resources and technique of production. म्हणजे हांगा resources are दिला given resources and technique of production is also given. Now when we move ahead, we have to give over here two assumptions. One, resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Second, technique of production remains constant. हांगा डायरेक्टली हे दोन assumptions दिवपाक जाता. ही लायन बरोवपाची गरज ना. Okay, so you can directly write after the meaning, resources are fully and efficiently utilized, म्हणजे रिसोर्सेसाक कांयच चेंजीस ना आणि टेक्नीक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट, म्हणजे खंयची टेक्नीक यूज केला ती कॉन्स्टंट रावता, ती चेंज जायना. Then you have to give this schedule. Study this schedule properly. Okay. Coming back to your diagram, which we have studied earlier. Now, production possibility curve looks like this. You have wheat measured in legs turn, and on x-axis you have rice in lakh tons. The scale is taken 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Similarly, here the scale is taken 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, start marking as per the schedule that is given. So, first will be the wheat on y-axis, that is 100, and rice will be 0. So, it is marked 100 and 0. Similarly, B will be 90 wheat and rice will be 10. So, see where is 90 and see where is 10. So, accordingly, you mark all the combinations and mark A, B, C, D, and E. Now, any point inside is attainable. Also, any point on this particular curve of your production possibility curve is attainable. You can produce over here with the use of resources which are fully utilized and efficiently. Technique of production is constant. So over here, any point outside is unattainable. You cannot attain this output because it is far away from your production possibility curve. Now, when you are explaining the diagram, explain whatever is given in the diagram. So, I'll give the explanation. तुमका हे simple दिसता, you can write like this. Okay. In the above diagram, y-axis measures wheat in lakh tons and x-axis measures rice in lakh tons. We have production possibilities shown A, B, C, D, and E. Any point on this curve is attainable combination. So curve AE is production possibility curve. After joining all the points, we get this AE curve. This is also known as transformation curve. Speaking about attainable combination, any point inside your curve is attainable. Any point outside your curve is unattainable. Okay. So A, B, C, D, and E shows a different possibility of production with given technology and resources. Okay. Only this you have to remember in this production possibility curve, nothing else. And remember that there are different names, different uh, yeah tech, different names given to production possibility curve. So it can come for fill in the blanks also, so don't forget. So this was our first diagram in your first chapter, introduction to consumer behavior. Now next we are going to move to your consumer's equilibrium. Now, in this particular chapter, make sure that you study microeconomics, macroeconomics, distinguish between. Also, study the meaning of opportunity cost just for 2 marks. So, next we will see what do you mean by utility.